Let's make a strawberry cheesecake smoothie. You'll need cream cheese, a whey protein isolate, it's optional, almond milk or water, and frozen strawberries. You'll also need a Nutri bullet, a blender, or a smoothie maker. I've used cream cheese today to get that creamy cheesecake flavor, but you can also use full cream yogurt. Add about 4 tablespoons of cream cheese to your Nutri bullet. If you want to use this smoothie as a meal replacement, you can add protein powder. This will keep you full longer. Now add your frozen strawberries. You can also use frozen blueberries or raspberries. I've used almond milk. You can use water, milk or cream. Not much, about 50 to 60 milliliters. If you use a Nutri bullet, make sure to add your frozen fruits last. Then your blades will reach your frozen fruits first. Pulse or blend until you've got a smooth consistency. A smoothie is a quick, healthy, one-dish meal with ingredients that's always at hand. You can be creative, use different fruits, you can use cream cheese, yogurt, milk or water. Enjoy!